Ready to ditch that boring, default lock screen and transform it into a personalized information hub? First things first, let's grab Widgetable. Head over to either the App Store or Google Play Store, depending on if you have an iPhone or Android. In the search bar, type in Widgetable and tap Install. Once Widgetable is installed, go ahead and open up the app. You'll be greeted with a selection of amazing widget categories. Some of these include things like health, which has your step counter data, and lifestyle, which often shows weather or sunrise times. Now for the fun part, customization. Select a widget that speaks to you. Like that countdown widget for an upcoming event. Tapping the widget lets you tweak everything from the fonts and background colors to the information that is displayed, like your friend's icon if you chose the friend widget. Before you can use your new lock screen, you will need to give Widgetable permissions. Make sure notifications are enabled for Android. Press and hold on your home screen. Tap Widgets, and you should find Widgetable in the list. And that's it. Your lock screen now showcases all your favorite data. You can go back into the app to add, edit, and remove widgets, so your lock screen always reflects what's important to you at that moment. Enjoy the Widgetable awesomeness.